So guys, today we're gonna be playing Cat Mario. We played this on the channel before. Oh yeah. Yeah, I played this before, but I forgot. And then I put it again on my channel, but then I forgot what to do. Oh, what is this? See, I forgot everything about this game. I forgot what to do. I haven't met it in a while. Alright, let's just bring this right here. Alright, that's trash. Oh, what the freak? Was that supposed to kill me?
Invisible blocks, y'all. Invisible blocks.
Cat Mario, Cat Mario. I don't really know if this song's copyright, but whatever. Okay, so maybe I just skip over here. These the freaking floors now. You die here. I know. What even is that? It's not even a Goomba. Is that a Boo? Like, what the heck is that? Okay, so just skip all this. Oh my god. What the freak is this? Is this a checkpoint? Okay. Oh, it's a tutorial shot.
Can't beat it.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, coin. Okay, God, you want to pleasure all those coins. Let's go. Whoa. Alright, here's the deal. I think I just jump over here. No, you don't. There's an invisible block. Why? There's always invisible blocks here. Okay, so you hit this, then you go over.
Dude, the cloud!
Dude, that's the freaking cloud. How? Why does that kill me, man? Why, man? Why do you want to kill me so much? Okay. What the Huh? I won. Dude.
You won?
You won. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna freaking crush you. Cannot do this. So I think I just okay. Skip all this, skip all that. So this cloud here kills you. So we gotta watch out for these guys. Okay, coming through. Alright, what's happening here? What the frick was that? Let's go. Yo, what the freak? Okay.
I beat it. Yo, they just threw a slice of cheese, and then they're gonna have what the freak? What's that freaking nuke?
Stage 1. Wait, what does it say? We just added something. Splinter, take good care. You might want to use some items. Alright. Yo, dude, my freaking recording. How do I fix this? Okay, fix it.
So don't go in that pipe, and don't gotta pipe that either.
So what am I supposed to do? Do I go back in the castle? Okay, I get this. I got it. Okay. Okay, you skip this guy. You go in the pipe. Level 2, baby. We win.
We don't win.
Okay, so go here. Alright. Okay, let's go. Oh, mushroom. Okay, coin. Ooh. Whoa, okay. Did not want to take that. Alright. So I'm just gonna die. Yo, this level's freaking this game. So skip the third one because there's spikes on it. Why not? Ooh. Oh my god. What the oh, you thought you can get me. Nobody's gonna get me. Ah, what the frick is that? Boy, I'm blazing through this, y'all. Yo, I'm blazing through this. Well, ooh, mushroom, star. Mushroom and there's a star. I want to try the star.
Don't take the star.
Dude, I thought I pressed the jump. Okay, what the heck is going on here? Whoa, whoa. Okay, that's that. Mushroom. What does the mushroom do? Okay, yeah, it kills him. Okay, I got it. I think I'm seeing what I have to do. I have to. Okay, I get it now. So like, oh, okay, that's pretty easy. So I think we just hit the mushroom. This guy turns big and he just explodes. Yeah, then he just makes the pathway for us. Now we can just go on in. Whoa, is that a fireball? Okay, excuse me. Oh, well, what the freak? Oh my god. You almost killed me. You almost killed me. Okay, move on the pipe. We are blazing through this. Whoa, what the freak? Who the heck is... Okay. Oh, flagpole! Give me that. Dude, there's 2 flags. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? What's the play? What the... Dude, that was easy, bro. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, y'all. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. I knew it. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to make a part 2 of this game. If you guys want me to return, I will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.